How to factory reset PC on Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on System. Then scroll down and select Recovery. Under the Recovery Options section, click on Reset PC. This will open the Reset This PC window. Choose Remove Everything to perform a full factory reset. This option will delete all your personal files, apps and settings. Next, you will be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. Choose Cloud Download to download the latest version of Windows 11, or Local Reinstall to use the files already on your PC. Review the settings and click Next. You'll see a summary of what will happen during the reset. Click Reset to start the process. Your PC will restart and begin the reset process. This can take some time, so be patient. Once the reset is complete, your PC will restart and guide you through the initial setup process, just like when you first bought it. And that's how you can factory reset PC on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.